What if one of the most trusted treatments for vaginal yeast infections is sitting on your pharmacy shelf, but most people still don't know how to use it correctly? Before you buy Monistat 7, watch this video because one simple mistake could keep your symptoms from improving. Hello, everyone. Today we're talking about Monistat 7, one of the most popular over-the-counter treatments for vaginal yeast infections. Let's quickly understand how it works, its benefits, side effects, and who should use it. What is Monistat 7? Monistat 7 contains Miconazole Nitrate 2%, an antifungal medicine that kills the fungus responsible for most vaginal yeast infections. The package includes 7 vaginal applicators and an external cream to help relieve itching and irritation. Benefits: Monistat 7 may help relieve itching, reduce burning, clear yeast infection, soothe irritation. Many women start feeling better within a few days, but you should complete the full 7-day treatment. Side effects: some people may experience mild burning, itching, or irritation after applying the cream. These effects are usually temporary. If symptoms become severe or don't improve after treatment, contact your healthcare provider. Monistat 7 is a trusted over-the-counter treatment for uncomplicated vaginal yeast infections. However, not every vaginal infection is caused by yeast, so using the correct treatment is important. If you're unsure about your symptoms, consult a healthcare professional before starting treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trusted medicine reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.